So, hi everyone, it's me Persija again, and for today's video is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-rebook ng ticket sa Cebu Pacific. So, mag-rebook po tayo 2 hours before ang iyong flight. So, kung gusto mong malaman yon, please do subscribe and click that bell button para updated ka lagi sa aking mga susunod na mga palabas.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got you feeling both love. You get to fly with me.
So, una natin gagawin is punta tayo sa ating Cebu Pacific apps. Then, hanapin natin ang menu. Then, click natin ang Manage Booking. Then, enter nyo po ang booking reference number. Then, yung email address. Then, continue as guest. Then, pagkatapos nyan is basahin nyo. Then, click next. Ito po yung aking first na flight, February 1, morning time. Then, sa baba, click nyo lang po ang free rebooking. Then, may calendar po sa taas. Hanapin nyo yung gusto nyong flight. Ito po yung napili ko. Same time. And, click nyo lang po ang select. Pagkatapos nyan is confirm. Pagkatapos ng confirm, is sabi niyan dito kung sure ka na, is magiging final na po yon. So, click nyo lang po yung confirm. Then, ang sabi niya, your selected option are now confirmed. Magsisend po siya ng summary doon sa iyong email ad. Then, ito po yung final booking ko sa February 12 and confirm na po siya, same time, and nandyan po yung details. And check natin sa email. Ito po yung sabi niya, we have successfully rebooked your flight under booking reference number. Please say below updated flight. So, ganun lang kadali guys. So, ito po yung magiging itsura ng flight natin. Nandyan po yung details. So, ang tanong nyo is, may bayad ba yung rebook? May bayad po siya kapag mas mahal yung latest price compare doon sa una nyong nakuha. Pero kung wala naman, kung same lang, is wala na kayong babayaran. So, that's all for today's video. God bless everyone.